Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a coil gun from a disposable camera. So what we're going to be using is the charging circuit and the capacitor inside this disposable camera, and what we'll do is we'll have it charge up the capacitor, and normally what happens is it fires the flash, but we're going to remove the flash, and I'm going to put in place this coil and a safety switch so that there's no back charge. Okay, so the first step would be to get your coil. So this is what I've done here, is I've gotten some magnet wire or really thin enameled copper wire. Either would work. So I've gotten that, and I've wrapped it round many times over this pen tube, and then I've just applied electrical tape to keep it in place and make sure that it stays there. And then I'm going to solder this switch onto it. I've soldered some leads on to make this step go quicker, but I'm just going to solder because this is a pretty heavy duty switch, because we're going to be dealing with high voltages. Okay, so the switch is in place and the heat shrink is shrunk. Now I'm going to put that to the side and take this apart and remove the circuit board so that nothing can go horribly wrong. Okay, so all the junk is now removed. I'm going to safely discharge the capacitor before I continue to my next step. So in order to short out the wires, you can use anything from a screwdriver to some wire. Here is just some copper that I have, and there we go. Now that the capacitor is shorted out, I can continuously touch it and there's no sparks or anything. Then the next step is to desolder the flash. Take your soldering iron and press it up against the contacts that the flash is connected to. There we go. That side's desoldered, and now that side. Okay, so this next step is to literally solder these into each other's places. Okay guys, I've now got the wires joined together. I've put some heat shrink on there. Just going to solder them together. Okay, and then we solder to the other end of this wire to the other terminal of the flash. There we go. And I should see the light is now charged up, and now if I was to flick the switch, it should fire a projectile. I don't know what happened. I'm just going to shut that off and leave it as another failed attempt. So guys, thanks for watching, and I shall see you next time.